Hello there. We are Team 4, and this is our project, for Design for Wellbeing. So for this project, we had to integrate the Affectiva library into an HTML page. Now the Affectiva library reads in user emotion through the webcam, and based on that emotion, it will change the layout or interact with the HTML page that it is associated with. So for this project, our group knew that we wanted to integrate some sort of game into this project because when players play games, they experience a lot of different emotions, a major one being frustration and anger when, for example, they get a really high score and then they're so close to beating the high score, then they lose, and I'd be really mad. I'm sure you would be really mad as well. So that's the main emotion we wanted to focus on for this one. And yeah, so what our site does is you will be playing the game, and while you're playing the game, the webcam will keep track of your emotion. And based on that emotion, it will change the layout of the website, it will change the background color, and it will change a certain piece of text, depending on what that emotion is. So let's get into this. So here we have our website. So you can see it's a Flappy Bird clone. It's better than the original Flappy Bird, let me tell you. All about Tim Allen. So we're going to click the play button. As you can see, the game boots up right away. Now you just hit spacebar to jump, pretty standard stuff. Now it's going to say the camera's loading, and then once that's done, it'll say, let's play. So we're going to play. So like any Flappy Bird game, you're trying to jump between the spaces in the walls in order to continue on. There's a high score that keeps track of your highest score for this session, and based on your emotion, the camera will read in, and it will change the display of the website based on whatever your emotion is. So let's say I'm really surprised, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, I hit this wall. My eyes get really wide, and it changes the background color. And it says, yo, it's okay, trying to calm us down, promote our well-being, keep ourselves going. Motivation is the key to success. It reads in a bunch of different emotions. Now, the main emotion we focused on, like I said earlier, is anger and frustration. So say I got this really high score. Say I was at like 26, right? And then all of a sudden, I hit the very edge of the wall. I get super pissed, and then it stops the game. So what it does is it actually pauses the game and changes the background color to a kind of a darker red to show some frustration. And it will tell you to take a break, get a snack, get some drink, come back in a few minutes when you're feeling refreshed, and play it again. So we did this because we wanted to make sure that our players weren't constantly frustrated and stressed out by trying to reach a high score and then, dying. You get really mad when that happens. So we wanted to make sure to minimize that. So by telling players to take a break and by disabling the game, it will actually cause them to be less angry overall. So, say I took a break, say I'm hydrated, I drank some water, I'm feeling good, feeling fine. Come back, click play to start back up again, and the game resumes where I left off. Now it takes a few seconds for the camera to boot back up, but once it does, it will reset the background color to the default color, and it'll say let's play, and we can keep playing. There's different emotions, smirking, winking, tongue sticking out, lips sticking out. It all reads it in based on the arrangement of your facial features. And yeah, of course, like I said, very important audio in this game. Extremely important. It's part of the experience. So, that is our project. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Make sure to ring that bell so you get into your subscription feed. And if you want to check out our game for yourself, the link will be in the description below, actually in the Medium post, but you know what? Same deal. We can put it in the link when we put this on YouTube. But anyways, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. That's all I got for you. HCI. Do it.